Dzień dobry, this is Sylvia again, and I'm happy to see you. Today we've got the lesson number 4. In the lesson number 3 we learned the grammatical gender of the noun and the adjective. Today I'm going to teach you cardinal and ordinal numbers and month names. This lesson consists of 2 parts. The first part is going to be about the cardinal numbers. I'm going to present cardinal numbers in 3 contexts. The second part is going to be about the ordinal numbers and month names. First, let's check what you remember from our last lessons. Jak pan ma na imię? Or jak pani ma na imię? Very good. You say mam na imię and give your name. Mam na imię. Ja mam na imię Sylwia. Co to jest? Co to jest? Very good. To jest dom. To jest dom. Bardzo dobrze, very good. And we say ten dom, ta dom, or to dom. We say ten dom because dom is masculine. Very good. Ten dom. Okay. Kto to jest? Kto to jest? Very good. To jest kobieta. To jest kobieta. And jaka jest kobieta? Jaka jest kobieta? Kobieta jest ładny, ładna or ładne? Very good. Kobieta jest ładna. Very good. Now we may proceed to the first part of the lesson, which is about the cardinal numbers. Please repeat. Let's count together. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, 11, very good. 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, please repeat, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20. Very good. Let's count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. And of course, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And now I'm going to present you how to say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 in Polish. 30. Please repeat. 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50. Very good. 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100, 100. Very good. Now hundreds. In English you say 100, 200, 300. In Polish it's not so easy. Please repeat. 200, 200, 200, 300, 300, 300. Very good. 400, 400, 400, 500, 500, 500, 600, 600, 600, 700, 700, 700, 800, 800, 800, 900, 900, 900, 1000. Now thousands. In English you say 1000, 2000, 3000. In Polish we say 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10000, 11000, 12000, 13000, 14000, 15000. As you can see, in Polish we use three forms: 1000, 1000 and 1000. We use 1000 when the number ends with 2, 3 or 4, but only when we say 2, 3, 4 at the end of the number. In this way we say 22 tysiące, 43 tysiące, 64 tysiące. But 12 tysięcy, 13 tysięcy, 14 tysięcy. We can see the number 2, 3 or 4 at the end of 12, 13, 14, but we say naście. That's why we don't say tysiące. We say 12 tysięcy, 13 tysięcy, 14 tysięcy. When the number doesn't end with 2, 3, 4, we use the form tysięcy. Just as in these examples. 11 tysięcy, 71 tysięcy, 90 tysięcy. Now the time for practice. I'm going to show you the number, then please decide which form is correct. 11, 1000, tysiące or tysięcy. 11. Very good. 11 tysięcy. 22 1000, tysiące or tysięcy. 22 tysiące. Very good. 33 1000, tysiące or tysięcy. 33 tysiące. Very good. 33 tysiące. We use the cardinal numbers to say what our phone number is, how old we are, what the price is. Let's start with the phone number. In Polish we ask: jaki masz numer telefonu? Jaki masz numer telefonu? Or jaki pan ma numer telefonu? Or jaki pani ma numer telefonu? Jaki pani ma numer telefonu? Let's make the answer. Mój numer telefonu to. Mój numer telefonu to 758 223 456. I'm going to show you more examples. Jaki Monika ma numer telefonu? Jaki Monika ma numer telefonu? Jej numer telefonu to 789 456 123. Jaki Marcin ma numer telefonu? Jaki Marcin ma numer telefonu? Jego numer telefonu to 987 543 201. Now you can tell me, jaki pan ma numer telefonu or jaki pani ma numer telefonu. We may proceed to the question, how old are you? In Polish we ask, ile masz lat? Ile masz lat? Or in formal way, ile pan ma lat? Ile pani ma lat? So we use ile, personal form of the verb mieć, to have, and lat. In this way we say, ile masz lat? Ile Kasia ma lat? Ile Robert ma lat? Now the time to show you how to make the answer. Mam 28 lat. Kasia ma 32 lata. Adam ma rok. So you use the verb mieć, to have, number, and form rok, lata or lat. Probably you wonder, when do we use rok, lata or lat? But I have good news, because you know the answer. The rule is the same as with the noun 1000. In Polish you say rok, 2 lata, 3 lata, 4 lata, but 5 lat, 6 lat, 7 lat, 8 lat. So we use the form rok only with the number 1, but we don't say number 1, we just say rok. We use lata with the number 2, 3 or 4, or when the number ends with 2, 3, 4. But of course, when we say 2, 3, 4 at the end of the number, in this way we say 22 lata, but 12 lat. And we use the form lat when the number doesn't end with 2, 3, 4. Just as in these numbers. 28 lat, 30 lat, 40 lat, 59 lat. Okay, we can practice together. Ile ona ma lat? Ile ona ma lat? Ona ma 30 lat. Ona ma 30 lat. Ile on ma lat? Ile on ma lat? On ma 25 lat. Very good. On ma 25 lat. Ile on ma lat? Ile on ma lat? On ma 42 lata. On ma 42 lata. Very good. Bardzo dobrze. Okay, let's move on to the question, how much is it? In Polish you say, ile to kosztuje? Ile to kosztuje? Or, ile kosztuje bilet? Ile kosztuje bilet? Ile kosztuje kawa? Ile kosztuje kawa? Ile kosztują lody? Ile kosztują lody? To make the answer we need two nouns. Złoty and its forms złote, złotych. Grosz and its forms grosze, groszy. And again, you know the rule. In Polish we say 1 złoty, 1 grosz. 2 złote, 2 grosze. 3 złote, 3 grosze. 4 złote, 4 grosze. 5 złotych, 5 groszy. 6 złotych, 6 groszy. 7 złotych, 8 groszy. Now the time to show you how to make the answer. Ile kosztuje kawa? Kawa kosztuje 12 złotych i 90 groszy. 12 złotych 90 groszy. Ile kosztuje bilet? Bilet kosztuje 3 złote 50 groszy. 3 złote 50 groszy. Let's practice together. I'm going to ask a question, then please answer to this question. Ile kosztuje koszula? Ile kosztuje koszula? Very good. Koszula kosztuje 129 zł. Koszula kosztuje 129 zł. Very good. Ile kosztują buty? Buty kosztują 399 zł 99 groszy. 399 zł 90 groszy. Bardzo dobrze. Okay, that's all for this part. Let's have a break and we are going to continue in the second part of this lesson. So, see you soon.